Hi everyone, welcome to Anime Lover. Today we are going to see about the 10 characters who can fight with Kaguya Otsuki. Kaguya Otsuki is a god of elegance and her powers know no bounds in Naruto series, and very few characters in the entire Naruto story stand a chance against her in a fight. But these 10 characters could stand in front of Kaguya. Kaguya Otsuki appeared as the final villain of the Naruto series and also the strongest character in the entire Naruto universe. She was the mother of Hogoromo Otsuki, the man known as the Sage of Six Paths, and his brother Hamura Otsuki. He lives in the moon. Being an Otsuki, Kaguya was blessed with tremendous power, the likes of which could not even be comprehended by the humans. Her powers knew no bounds, and very few characters can stand against her. Those 10 characters we don't give any rank. Six Paths Obito. Obito Uchiha became the Jinchuriki of the Ten Tails during the Fourth Great Ninja War and gained tremendous powers as a result of Jinchuriki. He was known to be the stronger than all the Kage on the battlefield, along with both Naruto Uzumaki and Sasuke Uchiha. Being a user of Six Paths power, Obito was strong enough to fight against Kaguya Otsuki. However, his power still failed when compared to Kaguya Otsuki. He can give a fight to Kaguya Otsuki, but he can't defeat Kaguya Otsuki. And another one is Might Guy. Yeah, Guy was the among the strongest shinobi in the Naruto series, and he truly proved his worth during the war when he fought Madara Uchiha. After opening the eighth gate of death, Guy could fight on an even footing against Six Paths Madara and even overwhelm him in certain instances. He was still inferior to Madara in power. However, he is strong enough to fight Kaguya Otsuki. He certainly can't defeat her in battle, but he can give a fight to Kaguya like he give fight sometime with Madara. Kinshiki Otsuki, the partner and guardian of Momosuke Otsuki. Kinshiki appeared as a villain in the very first arc of Boruto. He was shown to be a character capable of keeping up with Six Paths Sasuke Uchiha, which just goes to show that he is a cut above the rest. Kinshiki is said to have been powerful enough to spit planets with ease. With such majestic power, he would definitely put up quite a fight against Kaguya Otsuki. Everybody still know they don't defeat Kaguya Otsuki, but they can give a fight. Six parts Madara. Madara Uchiha is one of the biggest antagonists of the Fourth Great Ninja War, and after acquiring the powers of Tenpei, he was nearly unstoppable. He could take on both Naruto and Sasuke in combat at once, which just goes to show that he had enough power to take on Kaguya Otsuki as well. However, as Naruto pointed out, his powers were still far below that of Kaguya Otsuki.